It felt as if the devil was having me right at the corner, right where he wanted me. Life never became easy after the death of both my parents. But still, I had hope. That's what each and everybody needs. Hope. But then you get to think that there is no hope. Especially when you live with a woman of this kind.
But this is not a library, you hear me? This is not a library.
Auntie.
And I told you to sit down. Sit down.
This woman.
Yes, you know we cannot afford him. He belongs in an orphanage.
But still I kept trusting on God even when I couldn't trace him. And that's what made me who I am today.